Lamborghini. Whoa.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. Now, the last two mods we've done to the FRS to the Scubaroo have been some cosmetic minor mods. We did the side louvers, we did the rear louvers, and last but not least, we just we put the carbon fiber dashboard on the car. Thanks to Mom. Shout out to Mom. That really transformed the interior of the car. But it's been about 2 months since I put the unequal length header on the car, and I'm still running the stock tune. So I think it's time we give some power to the FRS. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put the Stage 2 plus unequal length header tune on there. Now normally the option would be to do the open flash tablet with some off-the-shelf tunes. That option's only about $500 for some pretty good off-the-shelf tunes that you can do yourself in your garage. But I know a guy, his name is Seth. He's in my Charlotte 86 group, and he's offered to flash the car for me using the Tactrix cable. It's a cable that plugs up to the OBD2 sensor, I believe. And basically the idea is you download some of the tunes off of the Open Flash website, and you're able to flash the car with some fancy computer work, which I'm not too familiar with. I've been reading up on it, but Seth has been doing it for quite a few years now, so he's offered to help me out. So today is Tuesday. On Thursday, right when I get off work, we're going to head over to Seth's house. And in theory, we're going to do a Stage 2 tune on the FRS, give it some more power. So I'll see you guys on Thursday.
Once it's loaded, you need to drive for probably about 40 miles before the ECU has enough time to learn.
Yeah, that's what I was reading. There's people doing a tune and then expecting it to work like right away. Like, yeah, it's not working.
Yeah.
Some people like put them like directly on the dyno too, right afterwards.
Yeah, you really need to give the ECU some time. I mean, it shouldn't take that long.
All right, so we got the tune done. Took maybe about 2 seconds because this guy's a professional. But this is it's a BRZ.
Originally it was FRS.
So originally it's an FRS.
It's got the BRZ front bumper and it's got a Toyota trunk.
Gotcha. Yeah, I noticed the Toyota on the back.
There's not much sign left.
little to nothing left on there. And then this is his new addition. This is his supercharger. It's got the long tube headers. What else you got done to it?
It's got a half cage stripped out. Full exhaust, harnesses, weighted a few months ago, came in at 2,500 pounds.
Holy cow.
I don't think there's much on here I haven't touched.
Yeah, it's completely changed. This is probably one of my favorite parts. He's got a custom center exit exhaust. It's a Borley exhaust. You got it off of a Mini?
Yeah, off a Mini.
Yeah,
Cooper
off a Mini Cooper. Sounds like a beast. I mean, this thing is totally a race car.
You've got a 9 Lives racing wing on the way.
Okay. It's not gonna be like, is it like a high wing, or what's that look like?
It's like a full 69-inch wide racing wing.
Okay. Oh, that's kind of like...
Finishing the Aero, I think is the last thing I ever did. With drift.
Yes.
Set up with dual calipers.
I saw that. What are the switches in the middle of the dash there?
Let's see, the left switch used to operate fog lights that aren't there anymore.
Okay.
The middle turns off the traction control, and the right is to turn the fans on.
Dang.
Car's not on.
Unreal. Seems like it's a lot of wiring. That's one of the coolest parts right there. It's got the LED around, got the half cage. Unreal, man. If there wasn't like a tornado and flooding outside, we'd take it for a ride, but maybe one of these days. I really like the roof wrapped in black too. No, it's like pretty subtle, but really kind of sets it off. It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah. I started stripping it out, I think, about a year ago now.
Okay. So I do remember, actually, so you had the bumper off, and then you had the bar on the front, and those were the fog lights. Do I remember that correctly?
Well,
Yeah.
they weren't fog lights, I guess they were
Like just giant.
hella driving lights.
Yeah, so it's almost like a rally light.
Yeah,
Is that kind of what it is? Yeah.
Not bright. they're blacked out.
Yeah,
so
I see
I had
that.
those to kind of help with that.
Gotcha. Yeah, that was pretty nasty looking setup too. Really like this thing. Is that the intercooler down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man. This thing is goals right here. Pretty much a stock FRS versus this. I can't wait to take a ride in that one day. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's now a couple days later. It's Saturday. We got the tune on the car. We did the Stage 2 Plus tune off the Open Flash website. I didn't do too much videotaping of the actual tuning process, but shout out to Seth for helping me out. If you're interested on how to tune with the Tactrix, there's some other videos on YouTube on how to do it. And also, if you go to the FT86 Club forums, you can look up Tactrix on there, and there's tons of information. It's way above my head, but basically you download an Open Flash tune off of their website, and then figure out how to get onto your car using that Tactrix cable. All in all, it took Seth maybe 5-10 minutes to get it on my car, and it's running perfectly. We had some crazy weather on Thursday. We had tornadoes in Charlotte, and there was a lot of flooding, so haven't been able to get much video yet of the actual tune. But right now I'm going to show you guys a before clip and an after clip of what I think the difference is between the original stock tune with the header and now the Stage 2 Plus Open Flash tune with the complete Catless exhaust, Catless unequal length header. So check it out. the exhaust is very, very loud. It's completely catless all the way back. No cats in the header either. And I don't know, it just really came alive. I could already feel a difference when I put the header on there, even without the tune. I was just having to turn my check engine light off, and I knew that wasn't very good for the car, so I knew it was only a matter of time before I needed to do the stage 2 tune. According to my butt dyno, I mean, it definitely feels like it's picked up some power. I can feel a lot more torque. There's not that torque dip anymore. I mean, for instance, I mean, I'm in 4th right now. I can just drop it down to 3rd, and it just goes now. I mean, all that torque dip right in that mid RPM range, I don't really feel it anymore. Obviously, I haven't put it on a dyno. I don't know if there's actually any power that comes along with it, but it certainly feels like it. So if you're running an FRS and you want to do any upgrades, I highly recommend getting a header and doing a stage 2 tune or a stage 2 plus tune if you're catless. Really going to enjoy this car. Can't wait to make some more videos. I did pick up a couple of new parts from Seth as well, and we'll get to that in a later video. He kind of hooked me up with a few new things that I'll throw on the car. But anyways, if you do like today's video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like. It's really helping me out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.